Hi, my name is Dellis. I'm a 5-time USA memory champion, Guinness World Record holder in memory, and a Grandmaster of memory. And I want to talk about a project that is super near and dear to my heart that I've been working on over the last few years and that I need your help on. So in the last 2 decades, we've realized the importance of physical wellness. Being physically fit, caring for our bodies. You know, there's a lot we can do to keep ourselves healthy so that we don't have to go to the doctor as much. Physical fitness, the trends over the years have grown and grown. It used to be that people didn't really go outside to run. Now everybody's all about being in the outdoors, hiking, this fitness trend, this other fitness trend. People are in the mindset that they want to stay fit. And they know that if they stay fit, they're gonna live longer and live a healthier life. Same with eating better foods. A lot of us are more cognizant and aware of the food that we put into our bodies, and we're much more mindful of the kind of habits we introduce into our lives, the lifestyles that we live when we eat, and how it relates to our physical health. Also, wearables and fitness trackers, data trackers, whatever it may be that monitors the kinds of things in your life, we look at that data so that we can see, are we healthy? Do we need to go see a doctor? And the end result is that we live a healthier life. But what about our brain health? I always feel like we don't really give it as much love as the entire body, even though it's the thing running the show. Now here at Virtuleap, what we've been betting on is this transformation to what we've been doing for our body as a whole, but to our minds as well. And I think COVID over the last few years has accelerated that awareness that mind health, brain health is just as, if not more important than what we've been doing for our bodies. The trends of people doing more meditation apps, brain training apps, visibility on mental status and health, all these things are becoming more popular, and we foresee this trend only growing from here on out. The numbers don't lie. Cognitive disorder costs reach into the trillions of dollars. And the number of people impacted is in the hundreds of thousands. So let me introduce you to Virtuleap, which is our solution to this growing trend / problem, however you want to look at it. First of all, what is Virtuleap? Well, it's a cognitive assessment tool, a 20-minute immersive experience which results in a detailed report of your cognitive state. It's also a monitoring tool, so something that you can use on a daily basis to monitor your progress or deterioration, constantly reviewing your performance changes and using machine learning and AI to correlate them to patterns. It's a diagnostic tool, so it can also be used to realize cognitive decline faster than any other. And it can also be used as a digital therapeutic. And there's nothing else out there like this on the market. So who needs us? Well, the short answer is almost everyone. Almost every human being might want to use this. Pharma, hospitals and clinics, educational centers, elderly homes, insurance companies, corporations, and of course, every human on Earth. Just in the same way that every human might want to understand how to eat better, or to monitor what they eat, how they sleep, how fit they are. We all recognize that by doing that, you potentially could live a longer life, you don't have to go to the doctor as much, all these things. So the same can be transported over to our cognitive health. Now, why Virtuleap? Why us? First of all, our technology, our advisory board, the fact that we have 50,000 users with 0 marketing effort to this point. We're involved with a few studies that are currently ongoing and about to get started, major research centers and universities, and many other reasons. I think one of the biggest parts about this project is everybody on the team is passionate about brain health. For me, my story is just one of the many on our team. Alzheimer's affected my family directly, and as a result, I've basically devoted my whole life to improving memory for myself and for others. I want you to imagine for a second, you're going to the doctor due to concerns of some memory loss, and the doctor informs you that you have Alzheimer's. Unfortunately, you probably had a precondition to Alzheimer's, mild cognitive impairment, or subjective cognitive decline even before that. Now, imagine a solution that has been tracking your memory for years, which has been able to notice subtle changes and then alert you of your cognitive decline. This could have happened much sooner, say 5, 6, 7 years before that. Virtuleap is on a mission to be the go-to solution for brain health and wellness. So how can you help? Well, we're looking for investors. We're looking to raise $2 million in the next few months. We'll be using this capital to finalize the cognitive assessment tool, to continue strong on our clinical trials, and to build sales. We can change the world for good and save millions of lives. And we also have the opportunity to become a multi-billion-dollar company. The question is, do you want to join us?